Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be taking you through a quick video of how I prepare some chicken chop suey with some mashed potato, and the mashed potato includes sweet potato as we know it in Jamaica. In America it is called batata. Yes. So I prepped my chicken, my veggies before, and for the chicken chop suey, the vegetables included carrots, cabbage, bok choy here in America, and carrots. And I used regular seasonings, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger. For my potato, it's easy to cook. I won't be taking you through what I did with the mashed potato because this video is on the chicken chop suey. So I used a quarter cup of olive oil to cook this, and this was, I would say, 1.5 pound chicken breast. I put my oil to warm. Then I put my veggies in, or my seasonings in. I added my seasonings in, allow it to crisp a little. Then I added my chicken. I used soy sauce. I used a little oyster sauce to help to give this chicken a little color, and these are optional. These are what I chose to use. Then once the chicken, within 10 minutes, the chicken is stir fried, I didn't use any water because the cabbage, the pak choy will spring water. So I left my chicken under low flame to cook. Then I started to add all my vegetables. I love my vegetables crunchy. I don't like my vegetables soggy or soft. So I never use water. So here I'm stirring in all the vegetables in evenly to mix in the chicken. There you can see, look at the color. Look at it. Stirring, I'm partially done, and this is a quick easy meal. I will not leave any instruction in the description box. A big shout out to all my new subscribers. If you're watching this video, I will soon be giving away random gifts as soon as my subscriber base starts building up. Maybe when I reach 150, then 200, help me get to 1,000. Like my video, make sure you hit that notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're also watching and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. There is my finished dish, looking all so delicious. And this chop suey can be made without meat. I chose to use chicken breasts in it. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support. And again, a big shout out to all my current subscribers and my new subscribers. Thanks again for watching and subscribing. See you soon in my next video. And this is a bonus video. I started off doing 2 videos in the week, but because my subscriber base is not big, I reduced. So this is for my new subscribers and also potential subscribers. There's a finished meal, dished, ready for consumption. Again, thank you for watching. See you soon again in my next video. And I also do hope that you enjoy my little new intro. I am really working hard on this channel. So help me, guys, to get to even at least 1,000 subscribers. Then I can start doing some live videos with you all. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.